I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and I'm going to start out today by telling you the March 2023 promos. We've got a new program that started in February. It's called Color of the Month. Starting on the 1st of the month, 9 a.m. Mountain Time, they release a new paste color. And you can, the way to get it is if you have a qualifying order on the Chalk site for $75 US or Canadian dollars. This month is Academia. It's really pretty dark, kind of a teal color. And that is our color of the month. When you get 75 in your cart and you go to checkout, it will ask you if you want this. Now, last month, the color of the month sold out in the first couple of weeks. So if you want this, you might want to grab it quick. It is $16 US dollars, 21 Canadian dollars. It will prompt you to ask if you want it. We also have what's called Transfer Palooza, which is a really great deal. You put 3 transfers in your cart, and the 4th transfer will be free. Of course, it will be whatever is the least amount, and that's going on all month till the 31st. If you are a club member, this is a good deal because if you fill your cart with $100, get that's of course before qualifying order, which is before taxes and license, you will get a fuzzing towel and one of our transfer totes. And just a reminder too, all customers get regular customers get a flat rate shipping of $8.99 US dollars, $19.99 Canadian. If you're a club member, and it's always on the first qualifying order. If you are a club member, you will get $5.99 flat rate shipping US dollars, $15.99 Canadian, and of course that is only on the first order. This is our club. I'm doing our club this month, and this for March 2023, our club transfer is Botanicals. This transfer is only available to club members and designers only. Club members get the besides transfer 3 paste packets. The ones that come with this month is Camel, Papaya, and Shimmering Melon. But I'm not going to be using those this month. I'm going to, of course, but this transfer, I'm going to be using this Chalk Couture. It's an old board. We no longer sell it, but I'm going to be putting it on this. And but you can get similar boards like this. I've seen them at other hobby and craft stores. The colors I'm going to be doing this in spring, so I'm not going to be using these paste colors. I'm going to be using Sage, Peony, Sunnyside, and I'm going to be using one of our new in Vogue colors, which is Peach Cobbler. I love this color. It's really pretty. It is a limited time only. It's only for this catalog and while supplies last. Right, they've already sold out of it once, but they brought it back. But it is only for this catalog. So if you want it, you might want to think about grabbing it. And I guess I'm going to get started. project. Not done. Now I have holes up here where I can hang it, or I can sit it in one of our holders. But I like it. It's kind of cool. I did it spring colors. And you can also like do it in white and then fill in like watercolor them and then put the transfer back over and put the details back on. It's another way of doing it. And this is our club transfer, so if you're interested in this transfer, you got to join Club Couture or become a designer before March 31st. I already got I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what next month's is. And I guess that's it. I think the colors that come with that one would be, I saw it, I know it's brown, black, and I'm not sure if it's sage. I think it might be sage too. But here's my project. I want to thank everybody for watching, and all my links and details are below. When you subscribe, it lets you know when I have new videos out. If you go to my Instagram, it usually shows you a sneak peek of what my videos are going to be. And I will see you in the next video. I can't even talk. Next video. Have a great day.